Now, this is how to check the status of your battery if you are buying a new laptop, your current laptop, or you want to buy a fairly used laptop. Now, this is what you should do. Check the battery status. Go to your search bar and type CMD and press on enter. Now, when this box appears, just type this. So after typing this powercfg / battery report, press on enter. And then it says that the report has been sent to this particular part. So copy this part, just copy this part, and then go to your task manager, click on it, and here paste that part, and then you just click on enter, and then it will show you your battery report. So as you can see, this is the battery report. This is my laptop configuration, and then if you scroll down, you see the installed battery capacity. And now here you have when the battery was newly installed, it is 45,000 W, it is 45,000 MWH, but right now it is 41,930 MWH. Now that is the capacity now. I've been using this system for like 2 years. Now if you scroll down, just come down, you will see that when it was newly installed, it was designed to last for 5 hours, 40 minutes, 22 seconds. But right now, it can last, when it is fully charged, it can last for 5 hours, 17 minutes, and 9 seconds. So this is how you should check the status. This is how to check the status of your battery. Check if your battery is still okay, or if you need to replace it. And if you are buying a new laptop or a fairly used laptop, or your current laptop, try as much as possible to check the battery capacity. Thank you.